chocolate frosting and chocolate cut out sugar cookies. A winning combination. Swirl the frosting on to look like roses. Pretty for any occasion. Cut out your cookies between wax paper sheets to ensure even cookies. Whip up your frosting and make sure that you beat it really well so it's smooth and creamy. This takes a few minutes with a mixer. Make sure you scrape down your bowl in between mixing so that the frosting is smooth and creamy. If you want it to have a lot of detail on the edges of the roses, make the frosting thick. To pipe the roses, put a dollop in the center and then swirl it around into the outer edge of the cookie. The piping tip used is a 2D tip. It gives a nice swirled edge. And pick up each cookie and swirl them around, and it only takes a few minutes to frost all the cookies. You can top them with sprinkles or some edible glitter. You can also add some cherry extract into the frosting or raspberry to change it up. You'll find this recipe and more on my blog, createdbydiane.com. Thanks for joining me.